Root to rise here. Inhale, reach for the sky. Lift all of your toes, spread the fingertips, and exhale all the way back down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, soften and bow. Inhale, step the right foot back, lower the right knee. Exhale. Inhale, gather energy up, sweep the fingertips up and overhead. Big stretch here. Back toes, right toes are curled under. And then exhale all the way to your half split from there. Nice. Send nose towards your navel, round through the spine, and then roll it forward. But how we do it. So really pay attention to the quality of breath and the quality of movement here today. So hug the lower ribs in, lengthen the tailbone down, stack head over heart, heart over pelvis. Inhale, give it everything you've got. Maximize the stretch here. And then exhale, bend the knees, forward fold all the way down. Move with the breath. Inhale, halfway lift, find length. Exhale, soften and fold. Bend the knees, fingertips come to the mat, walk the feet together. Then step the right foot back, lower the right knee. Front knee over front ankle, gather energy up from the earth. Inhale, focus on the quality of movement here as you sweep the fingertips up and overhead. Big breath in here, and then exhale, rain it down. Fingertips come to the mat, we pull the left hip crease back, flex the left toes towards the face, Ardha Hanuman, half split. Inhale in, exhale, come all the way forward. Lift the back knee, let it hover. Inhale, open the chest, open your heart. Really send that right heel back and lift the back knee up. So lots of integrity in the legs here. Squeeze the inner thighs towards the midline. Maybe the fingertips hover here. Then plant the palms when you're ready and step the left toes back. Inhale in, plank. Exhale all the way to the belly. Inhale in, cobra. Exhale, release. Beautiful. Curl the toes under. Inhale in, power up plank. And then exhale to your downward dog. Killing it. Take a deep breath in. Inhale, lots of love in. Exhale, lots of love out. Inhale to look forward. Exhale, make your way to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. This time, fingertips come to the mat. Step the left knee back, lower the left knee. Left foot back, lower the left knee. Inhale, sweep the fingertips forward, up and back, front knee over front ankle. Gather energy up from the earth here. Big stretch as you inhale. Lift up from the pelvic floor. Feel the big, big stretch as you inhale and then exhale, soften and fold. Fingertips come to the earth, pull the right hip crease back, half splits, Ardha Hanuman. Right toes towards the face, breathe in, lift up through the chest, the heart. Breathe out, send it forward, lift the back knee, reach left heel towards the back edge of your mat. Really tone the left quad here. Inhale, open the chest, open your heart, look forward. You might come up off the fingertips here just to make sure you're not crashing down. Inhale in. Then exhale, plant the palms, step it back, plank pose. So hug the front body up to meet the back body here, reach the heels back, press away from your yoga mat, and then inhale, come onto the tippy toes, look forward. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale to release. Inhale, plank, press it up. Exhale, downward facing dog, pedal it out. So create some soft, easy movement here as you breathe deeper, fuller breaths. All right, inhale, look towards the top. Exhale, ragdoll. Step one foot, then the other. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold.